nothing.
How? I know, I didn't even
It's
fucking
all over
curse
nothing.
at you.
Oh yeah, it's me.
You have a problem.
Yeah, you do have a problem with my kids.
You really need a fucking
No,
life.
I don't
you need a
appreciate
fucking
it.
life. You need a fucking another motherfucking nigger. That's what you need.
What? You just said, come on, dog, don't say that
Yeah,
fucking
nigger,
word.
yeah,
You know
what?
I don't play that
But
shit.
you got a problem with it?
That's a rude ass word. You don't fucking say that shit. You're black
Why?
yourself,
I'm black.
you fucking
I'm black.
faggot.
I'm black.
Exactly. You're black yourself, you fucking faggot.
That's right, I'm black.
You're gonna touch me? Oh, alright.
No, I touch you.
Yeah, and you touch me, you're dead.
Yeah,
That's all
like
I gotta
really want
say.
to get some skank off your fucking ass.
I'm a skink. Say it again, Ken.
I'm a skank.
You're a pussy.
You know what? Forget it. You know what? You can goof and sit there and look stupid.
I'm
Motherfucker.
looking stupid, but you're the one sitting here
Fuck both
calling
you
me all these fucking names for no good reason. You're a pussy bitch. That's all the fuck you are, is a fucking bitch.
And what are you?